Dr. Benjeil Edghill, and I just want to share with you one of our medical mission cases that we did in La Vallée de Jacmel this past year. As you can see, we have a young man, and he'll tell you soon that he is 38 years old, who was injured during a construction accident. He was hit by an electric wire, and you can see the scar where he was hit. But the electricity was so powerful, it actually caused his lenses to turn chalk white. So he has 2 white cataracts, which has left him totally blind. The only thing he's able to see is hand movements. This has made a functional citizen into somebody who depends on his friend next to him to take him from place to place. In fact, they traveled over 3 hours on a motorcycle just to get to our clinic. You can see just how dysfunctional he is because of his lack of vision. He can barely maneuver down the hallway. He needs us to lead him, or else he would clearly bump into all the walls and possibly never make it into the area that we're doing the surgery in. We lead him to the table. We sit him down. As you can imagine, he's very nervous, but also very excited at the possibility that we might be able to help him. He's extremely cooperative. He has a great aura about him. In fact, all the people outside waiting with him were rooting him on. As I prepare him for surgery, I let him know everything's going to be okay. And although the surgery was challenging, you can see the immediate results from the power of cataract surgery. I tell him to open his eyes, and immediately he sees the difference. And he's thrilled. And so are we. I put a shield over his eye, but because it has holes, he can still see through it. And once it's secured in position, you let him show you the difference that surgery can make. He's already independent again. He's able to make it down the hallway on his own, and he walks into the waiting area where his friends and family and even strangers are cheering for him because they see just how functional he is again. And the very next day, we're able to show just how good his vision is now. Remember, he went from hand motion to now reading at least 20/30 on the vision chart. And this is just one day after life-changing surgery. Again, the organization that I work with is called AHDH Haiti. And the website to donate is ahdh.org.
So what is it? What's the vision?
Please donate. And if you can't donate, consider joining us.
Ask him how is he happy?
All hands on deck for these mission trips. And you can really change lives.